So, I was going to show you my pogo stick, but I forgot I went to the park yesterday with Cap, aka Xander, and I brought my pogo stick there, and I left it in the trunk, so yeah, I don't got it, and I came outside and put all my coat on and everything for nothing, so yeah, and my bow and arrow. I still got a brand new one. So yeah. Oh, okay. By B.t.w, I am going to the Battle of the Bands. Battle of the Bands tonight. So yeah. Battle of the Bands, B.t.w. For all Rainbow, gonna be there.
She's gone to the store. She'll be back.
So I'm gonna be there.
It's reopen the gate. Bring a lily in.
It's there in downtown Nashville. Battle of the Bands. So yeah, hope to see you there. Gonna be there. Yeah. But that's half of what I got for Christmas. Not even half. Less than half of what I got for Christmas. So yeah. That's all I have for this video. So, wait. Come here, Lily. Come here. Come here, puppy. Oh, get up. Get up here. Come here, puppy. Okay. Ready? So, B.t.w going to be at the Battle of the Bands tonight. So, with my grandmother. Gigi, if you want to see me there, I'm going to be there. Downtown Nashville. Battle of the Bands. So, yeah. Hope to see you there. And less than half of my Christmas wish list. My new dog, my new puppy, Lily, that I got in October. So, yeah. Bye! Boom.
Tablet.
I'm gonna redo that. I messed up. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my camera. Okay, so I'm gonna redo that. I messed up. And my uncle talked. By the way, my uncle's birthday. His name's Uncle Jay. He's 33 today. Some of you might know him. If you do, I don't think you do, but as JD. But it's his birthday, so happy birthday. Leave it in the comments below if you think he should have a very happy birthday. But anyway, B.t.w Battle of the Bands tonight. See you there. Bye! Boom.